Santa Barbara Chocolate offers pure organic cacao and cocoa, a huge selection of vegan chocolate, as well as white, dark, and milk chocolate couverture. They make great baking staples for the chocolate lover and connoisseur alike. Whether you're adding to your personal stash or putting in a wholesale order, they have everything you need. Simply add to cart, check out, and your chocolate is on its way. Shipping is quick and easy. No one beats their quality of product, compassion of customer service, or the overall value of what you're ordering. From their unsweetened dark chocolate to their white chocolate couverture, they go to great lengths to ensure you receive the world's finest and most sustainably harvested chocolate. This is truly high-end chocolate at affordable prices and guaranteed to exceed your every expectation. Interested in learning more or ordering some chocolate yourself? Visit SantaBarbaraChocolate.com today.